In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Webflow publish failed. If you're trying to publish your Webflow site and keep running into an error, don't worry. In most cases, the issue comes down to either a browser problem, custom code, domain settings, CMS content, or a temporary Webflow service issue. We're going to walk through the most effective fixes in a clear order so you can test each one and get your site live again. First, clear your browser's cache or try publishing from a different browser altogether. Sometimes your current browser session holds onto outdated files or settings that interfere with publishing. Clearing the cache can refresh that environment, and switching browsers is a quick way to rule out whether the problem is local to your browser rather than your Webflow project. If that doesn't solve it, go into Project Settings, then open the Custom Code section. Copy your custom code and save it somewhere safe, then temporarily remove it and try publishing again. This is important because even a small issue in custom code can cause publishing to fail. By removing it temporarily, you can quickly find out whether that code is the source of the problem. Make sure you copy it first so nothing gets lost. Next, head to Project Settings and then Publishing. Under your production domain, click Check Status. This helps Webflow verify whether your domain connection is configured correctly. If there's a problem with the domain setup, this area is often where you'll see it first. After that, make sure all A records and CNAME records point exactly to Webflow's current IP addresses and required values. DNS settings need to match Webflow precisely. Even one incorrect record can prevent successful publishing or cause the site to behave unpredictably. If you recently updated DNS, keep in mind that changes can sometimes take time to fully propagate. Another thing to review is your CMS collections. Double check that all required fields are filled out. If a CMS item is missing required content, that can block the publishing process. Open your collections, scan through the entries, and confirm that anything marked as required has been completed properly. Finally, check the official Webflow status page to see whether there are any active incidents affecting the designer or publishing servers. This is an easy step that people often overlook. If Webflow is experiencing a platform issue, the problem may not be on your end at all. By going through these checks one by one, you can narrow down the cause and fix the publishing error more efficiently. If one step doesn't work, move to the next until you identify what's blocking the publish.